Do you wait till the last minute to do all your Christmas shopping or even just making your Christmas gifts? Well, so do I. And so in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different quick and easy last minute 3D printed gifts that you can do here on Chip Builds. So let's jump into it. So the first project that we're going to print out are these custom gift boxes. These are vintage light bulbs and they twist off. And then you can put candy inside or little gifts, trinkets, or whatever. These are really cool. And you can even shrink them down and you can make like little musical instruments or like a baby rattle. I've opted to print a bunch of these out and fill them with candy for various friends of mine just to make my life a lot easier because it's kind of fun and candy is super cheap and easy. For the vintage light bulbs, we are going to do a layer height of 0.28. I am going to do that for all of these projects just to make it go even faster because honestly for these types of things that I'm giving, the detail doesn't really need to be there since these are all just kind of like last minute things like either gift boxes or like stocking stuffers. So the second thing that we're going to print out to give to people are these super cute little cat. And this is a cat stack game, and all you do is you try to stack as many up together as possible without knocking it over and see how high you can get. I saw something like this for similar with other shapes. I've seen like elephants and stuff, and so I thought doing the cats would be really fun. And I had designed these to be much bigger to make the game easier, but because this is a last minute one, I shrunk the size to 50% and they look freaking adorable. And this is going to be a great stocking stuffer to give to my sister who loves games. With these pieces being so small, it does make this game so much harder. Oh, and I already lost. But it's okay. No one knows. Well, I'm clearly not very good at this game, but it is a lot of fun. And so I hope you guys print it out and try it for yourself. Last but not least, we do have some custom 3D printed Lincoln Logs. These aren't quite the exact shape of Lincoln Logs, but I wanted to buy some recently to play with. And they're really expensive, and so I just quickly designed these up in Fusion 360 and printed them out, and they all interlock together. I have all the different sizes, and you can find those over on Printables as well. These as well, because there's so many pieces, I did do a 0.28 layer height, and for all of these projects, the infill is anywhere from 5 to 10%, just because they don't need to be crazy strong, but even with that low number, like, you can't really bend it. The Lincoln Logs, because of the size variances, they can take anywhere from like 30 minutes up to like 12 hours, just depending on how many you put on the build plate and like what layer size you have. But overall, it's a lot of fun. And playing with these Lincoln Logs honestly brings back so many memories from my childhood. And I just forgot how fun these are to do. And then we have our little window. But these are honestly so much fun. The fun thing too about these gift boxes is that I printed this one out so that I can store in the cat game. So then you can either wrap this up, or I did put a hole through the very top too, so that if you did want to put string on it, and you can hang it on your Christmas tree. I hope this video has saved you maybe a little bit, but hopefully you can print out some last minute things for people that you've forgotten to get gifts for, or even just your family members. All of these STL files are going to be available for free. I'll put a link in the description to my Printables profile. And please let me know if you make these. I would love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram or TikTok or wherever. I would love to see what you do with these files. So Merry Christmas, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye!